If you guys still haven't verified your YouTube account, it's not good. You guys are missing out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am Farhana Nuzhat. So yeah, as I have said before, you guys are majorly missing out if you guys still haven't verified your YouTube account. So in today's video, I will tell you guys all the advantages of having a verified YouTube account is, and also how to verify your YouTube account in your phone. Yes, in your phone, in just less than 5 minutes. And I will show you guys everything from start to end with clear explanation. It will be like super easy to get your account verified by YouTube, and of course no laptop and no PC needed. So yeah guys, now let's see how you guys can literally verify your YouTube account in just 5 minutes. So first you guys need to open your Chrome browser extension, and you guys can use any browser whatever you have, and then you have to type www.youtube.com, and then your YouTube desktop page will open something like this, and on the top your channel icon will be there. So let me show you guys. So this one, so click that icon, and then after you click that, then there is a YouTube Studio. If you guys click that, then there will be a directly YouTube Studio opened. So I don't know what is wrong, but if this is me or everyone else, so I used to hold it for 5 to 6 seconds, and then it will open a new tab. So like that, now I have to open it in a desktop site like this. So take that, and it will be open in a desktop site, and then you guys will have your YouTube Studio or Creator Studio. So now you have to click the settings button, which is in the bottom corner. So let me show you guys. So there is the button in very corner. So yeah, that one. Now you have to click it, and after you click that button, then you guys will see some settings, and now you have to select the channel bar, and then you have to come to the channel settings. So there is some basic info about which country are you from, and then we will have tags and everything like that. If you guys want to know about that, then let me know in the comments. I will make a video on that as well. And now here is the audience section. If you have a kids channel, then make it to yes, this video is for, this channel is for kids or whatever. I will suggest you to select the third option. If you guys have any featuring kids featuring in your video, then you guys can manually choose it. So yeah, after this setting, now I will finally tell you guys about the feature eligibility. Here you guys can see the default features are already enabled, and then the next one, which is eligible, now we have to use that to verify our YouTube account. So we need to click on that option, and as you click on that option, another tab will open up. So now let's finally see how to do that procedure. So you have to click on that arrow, and then the tab will open up like this, and here are some of the benefits of a verified creator. And in the bottom, as you guys can see, there is a verify button. Like these are the benefits and pros of verification. And now let me zoom in, and here you guys can see verify phone number. So by adding your phone number, you guys can actually verify your YouTube channel. So now let's see how we can do that. So click on that verify phone number, and then it will redirect to another Chrome page, which is something like this. So here you need to first select your country, so you don't need to do anything about this. The country is already selected, and now you should add your phone number. So yeah, now let's add our phone number. So you guys just need to add whatever phone number is active or whatever phone number is available on this phone that you guys are verifying your YouTube channel in. So you just need to add your phone number, and then you need to click on get code, and after you click on that, there will be a 6-digit verifying code. Then it will take like a 1 to 2 minutes time, and then it will get we'll get a notification just like this one, and then there is our OTP. So this is also a single time use of OTP, and then you have to submit it, and then congratulations, your phone number has now been verified, and now your channel is also verified. So now to check it, like you guys can see here before it was like eligible and the first one was enabled. So now let's see what happened to our eligible button, and let's see if it like enabled or not. So now as you guys can see, both of the tabs are enabled. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit and show you guys, like now we have all the pros and all the benefits that a verified creator gets, and you guys can see there are like so many benefits. And now I will explain all the benefits to you guys in detail, so keep on watching and please watch the video till the end so you guys will understand everything. So now that you guys have seen how easy and how simple it is to get your YouTube creator account verified by YouTube, so now I will tell you guys what are actually the benefits of getting your account verified by YouTube. So the biggest advantage of having your account verified by YouTube is custom thumbnails. So you guys have asked me how I add thumbnails, so a very detailed video is also coming on that. And yeah, this is the main important step. You guys have to verify your account if you want to do custom thumbnails. So this is the biggest advantage, because if you have a very good and HD quality of thumbnail, then your video will be like super appealing and the views will also grow and your channel will look super professional. Rather than being any random photo from your video, it will be a very customizable thumbnail option that will help you and your channel to grow in the future and have more audience. So the second advantage is live streaming. Now you guys can live stream if you are a gaming channel. So after you get your account verified, you guys can start live streaming, and you guys can do live stream to whatever length you want. And if you are a gaming channel, you know how important it is to do live streaming, and you guys can earn from super chats and whatever if your channel is monetized. And yeah, if you are just wondering why I'm not able to do live stream, that is probably because your channel is not verified. So yeah, now let's see the third benefit. So the third benefit is that you can now post 15 minutes and bigger videos on your channel. So before verifying your YouTube channel, you can only post like I think 10 minutes length of video, like 14 minutes kind of. But after verifying your channel, you guys can now post longer videos like those ASMR or study videos, which are like compilation of videos, and those videos are generally from 1 hour to 2 hours. After verifying your channel, now you guys can post longer videos on your channel and gain a lot of subscribers and audience from those categories as well. So yeah guys, that was all in today's video. I hope this video is very informational and this video also cleared any confusion that you guys have. So yeah, if you guys like this detailed video and if you guys like to see this type of content, then make sure to subscribe my channel. I make a lot of YouTube videos And if you want these kinds of videos, I have a playlist, YouTube 101. You guys can check it out. It has even more important stuff about editing, thumbnails, and whatnot. So make sure to like this video if you want me to make more these kinds of videos. And yeah guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.